Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you Instagram music problem, Instagram music no result found. So if you're facing this problem, there are some methods to solve it. The first one is to update the app. You need to check it on Play Store that this app has an update or not. So search for Instagram, and here you can see if you find any update here, just update it. And if you don't have an update, you can also try this option, join beta. By using this feature, you can just use the advanced feature of Instagram, which is not launched, and by that your music problem can be solved. If it is not solved, then you can just do another thing. Just go to settings, scroll down and go to apps, click on manage apps. Now search for Instagram. After searching for it, here you can see in the bottom right, clear data, click on it and clear cache. And if clear cache isn't working, then you can just uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it again, and by that your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.